Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. In my garden spot, oh, don't fall, once again. I have,
And me, Demia.
and Demia, yes, and Demia. I have filled this garden bed with the soil from the few potatoes that I harvested, spread it out, and I wanted to cover it because the squirrels bury their nuts or whatever they're burying in these garden beds. But before I completely cover it, I want to plant something in here. What are we gonna plant?
We are planting some garlic.
We're gonna plant garlic. I have these, I think they're elephant garlic bulbs, and I had 3 bulbs and broke them up. And I'm gonna go ahead and stick these in the ground. Water them real good and cover this up.
Yep.
I think that's 2. Some of them are a pretty big size. I think that's actually 2.
So
it
are we
is.
taking the skin off?
No, just the skin that comes off. It comes off easy.
Ah.
Yeah,
Okay. In the garlic mix?
it doesn't matter. All right, so I'm just gonna start plucking these in.
Like putting them in there?
Mm-hmm.
Like this?
I forgot how far you space them. I don't think they have to be too far apart. I
Like
forgot.
that?
Yeah, put that end down.
And then I cover it?
Yep.
You cover the whole thing? Just like
Yep, lightly cover it.
the whole thing?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me just
I forgot to do my research. Do you take the skin off? I don't think you take it. I don't think it matters.
Yeah, so rocky. Okay, I put mine in there. It's right
Keep
there.
going. There's a lot to do.
Yep.
I think that's
Got
2
a
of them.
lot of garlic here.
Is that more than 1? No. Just push them down in there. See how Grandma's just pushing them? Take them, push them down. And look at your skin off.
And cover
I'm just
them
taking
up.
the loose skin off.
And cover them up.
I'm gonna cover mine after I get them all in.
I'm gonna do the same.
Okay.
Flower pot.
Where's your first one?
Right there.
About that far.
Right there.
Okay, look at my finger. About that far.
Right here.
Yep.
Like that.
These are pretty big bulbs. Not bulbs. What are these? The cloves? What do you call them?
Garlic.
Garlic cloves. The smaller ones when you break them up. I think it's the bulb is the big one. The cloves are the
The tiny one.
pieces that you break up.
Okay, that's all the skin for mine. Now let's put it in
Soil.
dirt. Soil. That's how we're gonna cover them up. Right. I don't know. Okay.
If you don't cover them up, then I can see where you put it. So don't cover them yet. I thought you weren't going to. Where'd you put that one? I don't even see it. Right there. Okay. Make sure you gotta put the right end down. Look at this end. That's the end that goes down. So if you want to check with me before you put it in, let me know. Just make sure you're putting the right end down.
So guys, so when you do this, you gotta put this end down.
Yes, that's the end that will have the roots. Start the roots when they start growing.
Okay.
No, go on a line. Go down this line. So put it about right there. Yes. Always.
Right there.
Get the right end down? Yes. Good job. You learn fast.
There we go.
So Demia helped me plant garlic last year. We planted it in the house. Then we brought it outside after it grew and planted it, and then she helped me harvest it too. And I don't think I put that video up yet where we harvested that small garlic.
Wait, did you even put it in?
I don't think I put that video up yet. Chestnut. I think it's called chestnut. I got it from a farmer, renegade farmer here in town. I have to go back and look at the videos. I don't think I ooh, that's gonna be behind. That was at the beginning of the season. Lost files. Yeah, that was a long time ago. We've harvested the garlic and everything.
I almost don't remember.
Dried it out.
I almost don't remember if we did a video.
We did the video, but I don't know if I uploaded it to YouTube.
So we did do a video?
Yes.
What's it?
So this was 3 bulbs. There's quite a few pieces from these 3. You can put one more right here, then you can start another row.
Right there?
Yes.
Wait, this part down? Or up?
The other way. Turn it around. Yep. That's a big one. Almost done.
Planting this garden, keeping it safe because winter's coming.
It is. Oh, this was 3 little ones. 4 little ones. Yeah. Put these little ones over here.
Okay, guys, we got 3. Wait, how many?
4.
We got 4 little ones and grandma's.
I'll put them in between these.
Skin taken off? I don't know.
Taking the skin off.
Yeah, it's so hard to do it with your gloves.
Let's see. I'll break it for you. I really actually don't think we have to take the skin off.
Yeah, and also we don't really need gloves.
You can take gloves off if you want to.
Okay, I got half of it off. Right here?
No.
No, right here.
Nope. That's already a row. Start up here. Nope. Start this second row. So you can put it right here. I've already started the 3rd row. You waving to the people?
Yeah.
We're almost done.
Guys, we're almost done. Harvesting these.
We're not harvesting, we're planting. Harvest is when you take them up. When you pick them.
So confused.
Harvest, like we pick the potatoes. We harvested those. When you pick the tomatoes and the eggplants and all that, when you pick them, that's called harvesting. What we're doing now is planting.
Guys, I just took on my gloves. That was way too much.
All right, well, got a couple more. You don't have to peel all that off. Just stick it in the soil.
What?
Because it takes you too long to peel them. I got all these planted and you're still peeling.
Right here?
That's good.
Okay. It's really hard to take the skin off.
Don't take it off. Just put them in the ground, in the soil. That's why I'm almost done. We got 3 more left.
These
3 little ones.
things feel so good without my gloves.
You can put that about right there. We got those 2 close. That one can go there. Put that little one right in here. Right there. And this is
Well,
oh,
okay. I cannot press it on the ground.
here's a little tiny one. And that's the last one.
Okay, I need that one.
You put that one in the corner.
You do that one.
Yeah. All right, then I'm just going to spread the soil over the tops of them.
Okay, guys, we finished.
Then I'm going to water them down and then finish covering this bed with the plastic. You get that one in so we can finish covering.
Two. There was two.
Really? Tiny ones. It doesn't matter where you put those, they're so little.
Okay,
So
got it.
you want me to cover them all? Yeah, why? Because you took your gloves off? You're not doing that?
I'm way too hot. My hands are way too hot. Guys, if you guys do this, it really doesn't matter. If you want to take out the skin, you can do that. Or if you don't, you don't have to do it, but you see you're planting it. After you harvest something and you go plant something. Like we are doing.
All right, go turn on the water,
Okay.
please.
Okay, you tell me when it's on. I mean,
Just go turn it on for me, please. All right, everything's covered.
I'm supposed to get in there.
Can't?
How am I supposed to?
Hold on. All right, that's pretty. Oh, that one came up. Water it down real good.
More?
Nope, that's good. Now I'll cover this up and I'm going to staple it down. And this might not be enough to keep the squirrels out, but it just might work.
It might.
Hand me the stapler.
Here's
please.
the stapler. Where is it? Oh.
Let me get the rubber mallet in case you need to hammer them down.
Wait, where is it? Oh. This thing is cold. This one came out. This one came out.
Where? Okay,
What, I put it on the floor?
sure. Okay, hopefully this will work, and then hopefully I'll
Are you
have
gonna
garlic
put one right
next season.
Let me go look. Anything here? Why are they coming out? Seriously?
Okay, I don't know why. Sometimes it staples double.
Double, double.
Thanks for watching, guys. We appreciate you.
Oh, hit the like button.
Hit the like button. Leave a comment.
Peace.
Happy
And
grow.
deuces.
Happy growing. Grow with me so that I can grow with you.
Bye.
Toodles.